guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Drishti Vora. So guys, आज की वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ एक full face of makeup using only lipsticks. Yes, I don't know how that's gonna be done. मैंने जब ये challenge देखा था, I was like, what the hell is that? Like, how are people even doing this? Because I mean, you can use lipsticks for your blush, for your eyeshadow, but the rest, oh my god, like contour and stuff is next level. And you guys know I love doing these challenges like I did in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll link it above. That's why I want to continue this, and let me know in the comments below if you guys are liking this whole challenge series sort of a thing. So I have a bunch of lipsticks with me right now, and I'm gonna do a full face of makeup using all of those lipsticks. So yes, now without wasting time, let's get into the video. Alright, to start off with the base work, I am not gonna be using lipsticks. So yes, because there is literally no lipstick that I have which looks like a foundation. So I'm quickly gonna use a primer so that, you know, all that makeup does not seep into my skin, because I really don't want pimples. I have dealt with that stuff recently. And this was the Prosh Beauty Silk Blur Primer. So I'm just gonna like apply this, and I already have a moisturizer on, just by the way. So if you guys want to, you know, do this makeup look, then please use a moisturizer and a nice hydrating primer, because you are going to be using all lipsticks, my dear, and you don't want your skin to be super like matte or dry, and I'm a dry skin person, so yeah, that's why all the hydration you see. So my face looks super duper juicy right now. So for foundation, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Golden Beige, I think. Yes, Golden Beige. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face quickly, because I just wanna like see if it actually works out, yeah. And I'm impatient. I'm just using the Prosh Beauty Sponge. Funny, but this is so good, yaar. Like, I'm not even kidding. Itna acha hai ye beauty sponge. Like, it does soak in a little product, but it's not that bad. Like, I have used beauty sponges which are like random brands, and not good. So please don't, and I'll have all the products linked down below, even the beauty sponge for you guys. So please go purchase it, because it is a game-changing product for real. So we are done with the foundation part. I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 312 Amber.
It's an ambush.
If you guys have played PUBG, you guys would know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the only amount of concealer that I'm gonna put. I'm sorry guys, I don't have a lipstick that, you know, replicates a concealer or a foundation. That's why I have to use my base products, and I cannot use lipstick. Quickly blending this out, and then we will move on to the lipstick part. The scariest part, to be honest, because I don't know how it's gonna be or how it's gonna look. This concealer is so good, you guys. You guys see the coverage? Like, it's next level. Like, you need this concealer. So affordable, yaar. मतलब मैंने इतने सारे concealer use किया drugstore वाले. None of them have performed this way, like at all. They are not full coverage, like at all. This is the only concealer that I own which is like drugstore and like full coverage. Alright, so we are done with the concealing part, and this is the base work. Okay, I don't want to like set in my makeup right now because I need to apply blush, so I'm just gonna leave it here and start with one of the lipsticks, and then we'll set in the end. So I'm gonna go in with this Prosh Beauty lipstick. It's the Bullet lipstick in the shade 108 Soiree. I don't know how this is gonna be, but yeah, I think lipstick to kar hi deti yaar, acha perform. So I'm going in with this blending brush. Hope it does not leave a mark. Okay, it is blending. Nice. Oh, that was easy. अच्छे से blend हो रहा है. I think bullet lipsticks यार अच्छे से blend हो जाती हैं, but जो दूसरी lipsticks होती है वो तो शायद ही हो पाए, because liquid lipstick तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा सकते हो. Okay, so we are done with the blush. I think this is the only amount of coverage that I need.
I don't want clown cheeks right now.
Since we're going for a very like minimalistic sort of a look with only lipsticks. Wow, that rhymes. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my eyes with the Fit Me Loose finishing powder. You guys know this is my go-to powder. I don't use anything else to like set my under eyes, because यार पता नहीं बाकियों की ना coverage मेरे को इतनी पसंद नहीं आई जितनी Maybelline के Fit Me वाले की इतनी अच्छी coverage है. And you know, like setting your under eyes like literally makes a difference. Look at that, can you see? बहुत बड़ा difference आ जाता है यार. I still remember how I used to suck at setting my under eyes, and my makeup used to look so patchy, like it's not funny. I used to use my beauty blender to set my under eyes. Like, who does that? And I literally learned all of this like on my own. I did not take any makeup course, and whatever I've learned is either from YouTube or like I used to practice a lot. So now to contour my face, I'm using this Starstruck by Sunny Leone lipstick, and it's in the shade 05 Cinnamon. I don't know if it's still available, but this was the only brown lipstick that I owned. So I'm just gonna like do that. I hope this is not a disaster, you guys. पता नहीं यार, मैंने कभी नहीं किया ये सब अपने मुंह पे लिपस्टिक से. Never, ever. Time to blend all of this out. I don't know if it's blending. Oh hell no, it's not blending, you guys. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? It's not blending, you guys. I can literally see that harsh line. Oh, it's blending with my finger. Oh, it was not blending with the brush for some reason. Look at that contour. Fish. This looks good. Dude, what the hell? Look at that. That is insane. I hope this works out, man. If it does not, बेइज्जती हो जाएगी यार मेरी. That is next level. I did not know this. I've never done this. I've never used a lipstick for my contour. Ever. Oh, damn. This looks really good. Wait a minute. What? I'm obsessing over this thing. Like, I cannot. What is this? What did I discover today? Can you see my chiseled face? Look at that. Okay, next I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going in with this Prosh Beauty Bullet lipstick once again. But this is a different color, and it's in the shade 110 High Tea. And this is like a nude sort of a shade. It's really like dark, so let's just try. तो लग भी नहीं रहा है for some reason. Ooh, अभी blend कैसे होगा? Okay, I'm using a flat brush for this because it's a cream lipstick, like cream based, sorry. अब ये blend कैसे होगा वो मेरे को नहीं पता है. I think I might want to do this with my fingers only. Oh yeah, like fingers are better यार. Any day, fingers. But my concealer is kind of moving, which I am not liking. And ये क्या हो गया भाई? ये क्या हुआ है? Are you guys gonna try this at home? Tell me in the comments जल्दी से जाके. यार इतनी harsh lines दिख रही है ना इसकी, like I can't. ये brush से मेरा नहीं हो पा रहा है. Because anyway it's so like creamy. So you know थोड़ी हाथ की blending की ज़रूरत है इसको. Okay, this eyeshadow thing I did not like at all. So I'm just gonna apply some powder on it because ये बहुत ज़्यादा ना ऐसे stick हो रहा है मेरी आँखों पे ऐसे. थोड़ा सा पाउडर यूज़ करेंगे just to you know set it all in ताकि वो हिले ना, वरना ना creases बन जाती है यार. Next I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and I'm going in with this lipstick from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade 11 Choco Lava. It's some HD matte bullet lipstick I think, and I'm using this patla sa flat brush sort of a thing so that you know precision eyeliner में. Ooh, this looks cute. I've never like experimented with my eyeliner colors, you guys. Have you guys done that? Because I haven't like ever. Oh, this looks cute, yaar. Wow. It's kind of like brown but like pink also. But it looks cute. Like I like this. Okay, this is looking really cute. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows real quick from the same lipstick. It's this Sunny Leone brown wali lipstick. Oh shit, what is this? Guys, ये क्या कार्टून बनने जा रही हूँ मैं? Shit. But this is a challenge, so I gotta accept it. And इसमें पता नहीं क्या pink eyebrows लग रही हैं मेरी. Anyway, so I'm just gonna apply some lipstick now. So this is the Prosh Beauty Soiree वाली lipstick. I'm just gonna apply it because it's a very nude look, and this is gonna look beautiful. This lipstick is nice. And I'm just going to finish off this look using a mascara. So I'm going in with this I Love Essence. Guys, this is my current obsession. I'm not even kidding because ये mascara is so good. Literally eyelashes को इतना बड़ा बना देता है ये. अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, रुको, देखते जाओ इसका magic. Like I don't apply any other mascara. मैं पता नहीं क्या करूँगी जब ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा because it's out of stock everywhere. And ये कभी भी stock में होता ही नहीं है वैसे भी. But yeah, look at this. Wow. Do you guys see that? Look at that difference. It's next level. अभी मैं अच्छे से लगाऊंगी तो आपको दिखेगा एंड इट्स सो अफोर्डेबल, लाइक दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट कि इतना अफोर्डेबल मस्कारा, इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, सारे मस्कारा को फेल कर दिया इस मस्कारा ने. सो गाइज दिस इज द फाइनल लुक एंड आई होप यू guys like it. I am vibing with this look, like I must say, and I hope you guys use all these lipsticks for your makeup look as well. Now if you found this video super duper entertaining, then do give it a big thumbs up and go and subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that bell icon and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.